Hey there, fellow water enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. This is your Barry. Today, we've got something special lined up, a perfect weekend escape by the pool. So, grab your swimsuits, let's dive in and make some memories. There's something magical about weekends by the water, don't you think? The sun is shining, the atmosphere is relaxed, and it's time to unwind from the week's hustle and bustle. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer or just looking to cool off, a weekend at the pool is the perfect remedy. The water feels inviting and the smiles are contagious. Speaking of smiles, check out these amazing strokes and techniques. Whether you're into the butterfly, breaststroke, or just floating around, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about swimming, it's about the experience. From friendly races to poolside games, there's no shortage of ways to have a blast with friends and family. Of course, it wouldn't be a proper weekend without some good old relaxation. Grab a lounge chair, soak up the sun, and let the sound of the water transport you to a state of pure tranquility. Swimming offers a wide range of physical, mental, and social benefits. Here are some key advantages of incorporating swimming into your routine. Full body workout. Swimming engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a comprehensive full-body workout. It helps improve strength, flexibility, and endurance. Cardiovascular health. Regular swimming is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that enhances heart and lung health. It helps improve circulation and lowers the risk of heart disease. Low-impact exercise. Unlike high-impact activities, swimming is gentle on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. It's particularly beneficial for individuals with joint issues or arthritis. Weight management. Swimming can aid in weight management and is an effective calorie-burning activity. It helps burn calories while promoting muscle development and toning. Improved flexibility. The range of motion required in various swimming strokes contributes to increased flexibility. Regular swimming can enhance joint flexibility and reduce stiffness. Stress relief. Immersing yourself in water has a calming effect on the mind. Swimming helps reduce stress, anxiety, and tension, promoting mental well-being. Enhanced respiratory function. Controlled breathing is a crucial aspect of swimming. It can improve respiratory strength and efficiency, benefiting individuals with respiratory conditions. Increased endurance. Swimming regularly can enhance overall endurance and stamina. It improves cardiovascular fitness and helps individuals build the stamina needed for various physical activities. Social interaction. Joining a swimming group or class provides an opportunity for social interaction. This can contribute to a sense of community, making the activity more enjoyable. All-age fitness. Swimming is a lifelong activity that people of all ages can enjoy. It's suitable for children, adults, and seniors, promoting a healthy and active lifestyle. Therapeutic benefits. Swimming is often used as a therapeutic exercise for individuals recovering from injuries, surgeries, or managing chronic conditions. The buoyancy of water reduces impact stress on the body. Improved posture. The various strokes and movements involved in swimming can contribute to better posture. It strengthens the core muscles, which play a key role in maintaining good posture.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ
activities in the comments below. Until next time, stay cool, stay refreshed, and keep making a splash. See you in the next video.